The demand for charcoal has continued to increase. This development means that more trees are to be cut down to make more charcoal to meet the growing demand. Female small-scale farmers of Mufumbwe's Kamabuka area have come up with an initiative to make charcoal out of maize wastes to prevent the indiscriminate cutting down of trees. Asa Kasempa is a member of Tukwatankanai Women's Club in Mufumbwe and explains the process of making this type of charcoal.
When we harvest our maize, we don't throw away the maize waste. We burn it partially so that it doesn't burn to ashes. The burnt stuff is then pounded in a mortar. When it is sieved, the black powder is mixed with some cassava meal to make a mixture. The mixture is then put in mortars and pressed to make charcoal. It is then dried for 5 hours before it is ready to be used.
This method of making charcoal is shorter and will not only prevent the cutting down of trees, but is also affordable. This is because one bag takes time to finish, since this type of charcoal lasts for more than 10 hours on a brazier. Once promoted, this initiative is indeed a good solution to preserve the forests of Zambia. Justine Kawisha, ZNBC News, Mufumbwe.